In 2026, the perimeter is no longer a firewall, it's an algorithm. We've entered the era of offensive AI where cyberattacks are more intelligent than ever. The question isn't if you'll be targeted, but if your defense can outthink the threat. We're seeing bad actors use LLMs to craft hyper-personalized phishing at a global scale. Zero typos, perfect social engineering. And the worst part? Polymorphic malware. Code that mutates every time it hits a new server to stay invisible to traditional antivirus. The speed of attack has moved from days to milliseconds. But here's the shift. AI is also our greatest shield. Modern defense now relies on predictive behavioral analysis. We're no longer looking for known viruses. We're looking for anomalies. AI can spot a credential theft in progress by identifying a micro-shift in user behavior that a human analyst would miss for weeks. The future of security is autonomous. Are you building a wall, or are you building an immune system? Let's talk about the roadmap.